How to copy comments on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to copy comments from Instagram, even though the app doesn't give you a direct option to do it. So now without further ado, let's get started. So let's say you are on the post and here you find a comment that you want to copy. And if you are trying to hold down on the comment, you will notice that there is no copy option. So here is what you can do to copy the comments from Instagram. So first, take a screenshot of the comment, but make sure that the comment is fully visible in the shot. And once you're done taking the screenshot, open the screenshots and crop out everything except the comment that you want to copy. And once you're done with that, simply save the cropped version of your photo in gallery. And now to get the text from the image, you have two main options. You can use ChatGPT photo to text feature, or you can use a free online tool. So search for photo to text on Google and there are tons of websites that do this. And here, once you are on the site, just upload the screenshot and tap on convert and boom. Now your comment is in the text form. So highlight it and copy the text and you are all good to go. And that's it. A super simple way to copy any Instagram comment. No special apps needed. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.